horizon. 200 degrees 9 knots.
Hi, good afternoon, 82 Delta Papa, Golf 105.
82 Delta Papa, Glasgow, hello, hold at Golf 1.
Holding Golf 1, can you have the latest wind?
Yeah, at the moment 200 degrees 9 knots.
Oh, that's 009 knots.
Clear takeoff, surface wind 190 degrees 10 knots.
Clear takeoff, 05, 82 Delta Papa.
Sorry, the last station there, say again?
Logan at 14 Charlie Whiskey, fully established 5 miles.
Second one. Bacon 5-2 Charlie Whiskey. Are you happy to 180 within the taxiway width down there? The reason will become apparent shortly. 5-2 Charlie Whiskey. Okay, in fact, the Scarlet's not going to work. The inbound's a bit faster than I thought. Just hold position there to be a few minutes before I can get you away. Easy 6878, vacate left, and when you vacate, you contact ground 121.7.
Okay, left point, vacated 121 for 70.
552 Charlie Whiskey Var Bravo 1, line up and wait, runway 23.
Bravo 1, line up, wait, 23,
Logan 1 for Charlie Whiskey, can taxi to stand 1.
Taxi stand 1, thank you, Logan 1 for Charlie Whiskey.
Logan 96 Romeo Hotel, for the Saba Head, stand 2 for you.
Overhand, Saba Head for stand 2, Logan 96 Romeo Hotel.
Logan 1 for Charlie Whiskey, can contact ground now, 121.7.
Hotel 7, thank you, Logan 1 for Charlie Whiskey, have a good day.
Good day, break Logan 96 Romeo Hotel, contact ground 121.7.
121.7.
Rushton 68 Glasgow Tower, loaded in approach 23 number 2, surface wind check 290 degrees 5 knots variable from the west. Shuttle 6 Tango vacate left, contact ground 121.7. Bye-bye.
So that's 121.7 and Shuttle 6 Tango.
EC214 by Alpha 1, line up wait 23.
By Alpha 1, wait.